Welcome back everyone, thanks for checking out another video. Alex brought his 2006 Acura TSX in for a tune today, and I thought it would make for a great video for you guys. It has some good parts on it, it made some great power today. Like usual, the tune's all done. I'm gonna go through the details of his build, and then share some shots of the dyno pulls, and then share the dyno results at the end. 2006 Acura TSX. This normally would not be a tunable version of the Acura TSX. We tuned this car on Hondata Flashpro today. Normally, you can't do that with the stock ECU, but Alex swapped in 2007 Acura TSX ECU, which is the only way to do it. It was a manual Acura TSX ECU. Doing that allows us to use a Hondata Flashpro to tune these cars. It's kind of the only way for the earlier, like the 04, 05, 06 cars. 07 plus, you can just buy the Flashpro without having to swap out the ECU and tune it. But in this case, he did have to do the ECU swap. He's done basically full bolt on this car. Why don't I show you under the hood? So the engine is completely internally stock, but he did do short ram intake, ZDX throttle body. He swapped out the intake manifold to an RBC intake manifold. He has done RDX injectors. The car has a PLM long tube header, and it also has a custom 3-inch single exhaust system. To round out the mods, the car's sitting on a set of H&R lowering springs, which give it a really good height. He's also running a set of Advan RG2 wheels, 17x8 plus 30 offset, we believe. He's also got a hybrid racing short shift kit box in the car, which made shifting really nice today. So I think that pretty much takes care of all the mods. Why don't we cut to the dyno pulls, and then I'll share the final results. All right guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls, but I'm sure you're curious to see what this car made today. It is September, it is still very hot here, but in spite of the heat, it still put down some great numbers today. I have the two last pulls from today from the tuning session up on the screen. It put down 216 wheel horse, 171 was the best torque. Really good results from this combination of parts. It is just bolt-ons. The engine is still completely internally stock. It has the 25-degree VTC Cam Gear. It has the stock oil pump. We've been discussing future plans for this setup, and I think he wants to do some valve train. I think a set of Drag Cartel drop-in cams would be great for this setup. Do the drop-in cams, do the upgraded VTC Cam Gear so we can get 40 degrees of VTC out of this thing, which will help make a lot more mid-range power, and do the oil pump so we can rev it a little bit higher. We only revved it to 7,500 today. VTEC was at 4,400, and we maxed VTC at 25, and that's how it made the most power at full throttle. So I think with a bit more VTC, we could get a lot more mid-range torque. With the stock VTC Cam Gear, you can only get maximum 25 degrees VTC out of it, and these engines like more VTC in the mid-range. That's why the mid-range is a little bit weak in torque, but there's always room for improvements. I think he's gonna come back with some valve train, and if he does, we will do another video, guys, and update you on this TSX. So Anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like always, if you haven't already, consider subscribing. And if you like the video, do me a favor, hit that like button, and I will continue to keep making these videos for you guys. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.